We're working through question 2.1 on page 13. I want to let you know that there are two sums at the end of this video that you will need to submit as homework, so you will need to pay attention. I need to check for your understanding. So we need to find the HCF, which is the highest common factor of 160 and 400. Step 1 is to find the prime factors. So the prime factors of 160, this is how we do it. Remember, a prime number is a number that can only be divided by itself and 1, right? So 160 divided by 2 gives us 80. 80 divided by 2 gives us 40. 40 divided by 2 gives us 20. 20 divided by 2 gives us 10. And 10 divided by 2 gives us 5. 2 is the smallest prime number. That's why I started with it. 160 is an even number, so I know that it can be divided by 2. Now my answer says 160 is equal to, the base number is 2, right? There's my 2. Now I must count how many times I have the 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will be 2 raised to the power of 5. Multiplied by just 1 5, because there's a 5 there at the bottom. So the prime factors of 160 is 2 to the power of 5 multiplied by 5. If you input this on your calculator, you will get the same answer. Now for 400, I'm just going to show you a different way instead of the ladder one that I did just now. Sorry, the factor tree one that I did now. I'm going to show you the ladder method. So now we need to find the prime factors of 400. So now it is 400 divided by 2. And 400 divided by 2 gives us this 200 here. 200 divided by 2 gives us the 100 here. 100 divided by 2 gives us 50. 50 divided by 2 gives us 25. Now 25 is an uneven number, so we cannot divide it by 2. The next prime number that can go into 25 without a remainder is 5, right? So there we have the number 5. So 25 divided by 5 gives us 5, and then 5 divided by 5 will give us 1, right? So now I say the prime factors of 400 is the base, which is 2. Now I count how many 2's. 1, 2, 3, 4 2's. So this is 2 to the power of 4. Multiplied by. Then we have another base number, which is 5. Right? And then we count how many 5's we have. 1, 2 5's. So that is 5 to the power of 2. So now we have 160 is 2 to the power of 5 multiplied by 5. And 400 is 2 to the power of 4 multiplied by 5 to the power of 2. Step 2 says we need to identify the common factors. Right, so when we identify the common factors, we look at which numbers appear in both of them. So at 160, let me just rewrite that. 160 was 2 to the power of 5 multiplied by 5. Right, and 400 is 2 to the power of 4 multiplied by 5 to the power of 2. So we can comfortably take out 2 to the power of 4 from both of them and 5. So there's 2 to the power of 4, this one is 2 to the power of 5. So we can take out 1 2 to the power of 4. And then there's 5 here and 5 to the power of 2, so we can take out a 5. So that means our common factors are 2 to the power of 4 and 5. Let's do the last step. So the final step is to multiply the common factors. We took out as common factors 2 to the power of 4 times 5, right? Now all this means is 2 to the power of 4 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So 4 2's multiplied by itself times 5. That's how you input it on your calculator. When you multiply 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 5, you will get an answer of 80. So your highest common factor is 80. Now, as promised, you will find the highest common factor of 72 and 188 and 205 and 315. You are going to either use the factor tree one where we had this, where we had like this when we did 160 as prime factors, or you're going to do it the way I did the one of 400, whichever one you find easiest. You're going to follow the steps in how to do it, and then you are going to submit this work to me without fail.